The thickness of a coal mine is related to the rate at which the Earth's crust is falling in the area and the amount of plant remains deposited. If the Earth's crust is falling fast, the plant remains are piled up thick and the coal seam of this coal mine is thick. On the contrary, the Earth's crust is falling slowly, the plant remains are piled up thin, and the coal seam of this coal mine is thin. The widespread use of coal makes the use of ball pressing equipment more common. In use should be strictly noted. First, it is strictly prohibited to enter the machine iron, stone, and other hard objects. Second, the particle size of the material to be processed should be ensured to be below 3 mm, otherwise, it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. Third, the coal ball press is strictly prohibited to start heavy load, and non-technical personnel are strictly prohibited to disassemble and adjust the equipment randomly. Fourth, regular maintenance of coal ball press. Observe whether the reducer and bearing seat lack of oil.